here. And cool things. 243. Nope, not. Was it this? Yes, it was this. So Sarah's question is, what? Come on, ones and zeros. I know you can do it. There it is. Here.
Way back, sorry.
There it is. No, this is good. There it is. If you had to describe the average product number produced by, if you had to pick one number to say the average worker makes, well, I shouldn't say that. The worker makes on average this many products. I shouldn't say the average worker. I have no idea what the average worker looks like. One breast.
Yeah.
According to earlier. How many products on average do they make? What would you guys vote for? No, I want to preface this by saying there's not one right answer. Okay? I want to preface that. So what would you say if you had to pick a number? Let me see hands on this one. I'm curious.
18.
Curious. Votes for the normal average number of products made.
19.
Okay, I heard an 18 earlier. Sean, go ahead. 19. 19. Why are you guys going with 19? Just out of curiosity. Bunch of 19s. Give me your rationale.
It's in the middle between 16 and 21.
It's the middle of the bimodal.
Okay, so you're looking at these two bimodal spikes here. Say this right about here. Okay. 18 and a half because it's between the 18 and 19 because it's discrete data versus continuous. I like that. That's totally fine. I heard a 20. I thought. Go with 20. Why 20? Oh, good. Somewhere in here.
Yeah.
I might.
Number between 19 and 21.
Depending on, are you guys going with average, median? It sounds like you're going with mode, actually, I think. It sounds like you're going with mode. I love that. The trick with this one is, it's a small data set. The ones you were looking at before were hundreds, 100 if not more than 100. So this might actually have a shape we can't see yet. So, but that's okay, you can still make decisions based on it. So a mode would be fine at this point, good. If indeed this was a good representative sample, as we fill more data points in, we should be seeing these guys grow, right? We shouldn't be seeing a spike happen here unless we got some outlier data, which could happen too, just not very often. Anybody have any other votes? Please, Zach.
Larger than 22.
Maybe because of these guys over here, if these are good representative samples.
The ones on the end are double, like.
Yeah. From 10 up to 40, essentially, maybe you want to consider those guys at the end. You might want to talk about two groups of employees, this group and this group. There's all kinds of ways to deal with it. And many times, giving one numerical synopsis of an answer isn't the best way to go. It's best to give a few different ones. Which is why on quizzes, very often, especially at the beginning, I ask you to report back all of them to make sure you're familiar with all of them. So, good. So I hope it's not a very concise answer to your question, Sarah, but that's okay because there doesn't always have to be a concise answer. Sometimes many answers is better than one simple answer. Cool? Good. Very good. Let's go back to this one again. Thank you. Here we are. No, that's where we were. Here's where we were. All right. Now, I do want to close up temporarily. I have a data set I want to slap on you guys in a second here. I want to talk about how averages can be misused pretty, well, in my opinion, misused.